Meaning of haughtiness.
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 Haughtiness. Haughtiness refers to the arrogant or disdainful attitude of a person who believes they are superior to others. Such individuals often display a high level of pride and tend to look down upon those they consider beneath them. Haughty people may come across as cold, aloof, and unapproachable due to their sense of self-importance. They may speak in a condescending tone, make dismissive gestures, or wear an air of superiority. This behavior can alienate others and create tension in social situations. Ultimately, haughtiness reflects a lack of humility and empathy towards others.